A particle is performing uniform circular motion along a circle of radius r. So, here a particle is performing UCM along a circle of radius capital R. In half the period of revolution, we know that if t is the period of revolution, then in half the period of revolution, say particle moves from point A to point B, which are diametrically opposite point, then its displacement and distance covered are respectively. So, as far as displacement is concerned, displacement covered by particle in half of the revolution. What is the displacement of particle? It is the shortest distance between the starting point and end point. So, here displacement is distance AB. What is the distance AB? It is r plus r, that is equal to 2r. So, the displacement of particle is 2r in half the period of revolution, while the distance covered by particle is actually, it is the actual distance along which that particle is travelling, and particle is actually travelling along the circumference. So, the distance covered by particle in half the period of rotation, it is half of circumference of circle. What is the circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. So, these two get cancelled, and the distance covered by particle is pi into r. Distance covered by particle is what? Pi into r. So, out of three options, which option is correct? Option B is correct, that is displacement of particle is 2r and distance covered is pi r.